Market chopping around still. Can she break to the downside here? Get below the 293s. And there we go. We're breaking to the downside, boys. We're currently short here. Gonna look for some profit taken here down in the 70s now. Short from, I think, what are we short from? From the 88s. Looking for a move down here. I'd like to see a little bit lower. Get down below the 70s here. As we sell. 66s now. There we go. 61s. And locking in profit there at 62s. So beautiful move there. Can't even see it on the chart. It moves so quickly from the 88s down there to 62. Down there below 12,000 now. Like I said, the SPY, man, that 390 break, could I have been any more spot on? We said it live right here on the stream. This is not, we're not, you know, this is not pre-recorded. This is not hindsight trading. You guys are seeing real trading, real action as it's happening. You can see right now, I'll show you on the SPY what I was looking at here on this gap fill. The 3-minute chart, that 290 area, this was exactly what we were watching, that 290 area on the 390 area on the SPY, getting below this, and look at it, looking for that gap fill down to the 388.50. I basically said exactly what is happening right now in the moment as it was before it happened. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Come again. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already hit. If you haven't already hit that like button, you really know what to do now. Hit that like button. See if we can break below. I'd like to get down there below this kind of bounce back candle here. If it's possible. Let's see. Get below the 60s here. This is what I would like to see. Currently short. Looking for a break below the 60s. There we go. 56s now. 54s coming up. Let's go. 50s. Looking for a break below 50s on that last contract. And there we go, down to the 44s, locking it in. That was a $100 trade in a matter of minutes, boys. A matter of minutes right there. Well, not even seconds. That was a second trade. Literally seconds. Trading within seconds. Doing it all live for you guys right here on the tube. On the tube. Shorting at the 970s, covering at the 944s. So it's actually, look at this. That was pretty nice. That was a nice... See, that was nice. That was a nice execution, right? So I shorted 3 contracts. We shorted 3 contracts there from the 970s. We then covered the first contract there at the 63s. That was kind of like right where we were bouncing at. We covered another contract at the 54s, and we covered the final contract at the 44s. I mean, that's exactly what I need to be doing. You know, that's exactly like that's every trade should be just like that. Bam. You know, 10 points, take a little off. 10 points, take a little off. 10 points, 30 handles, rock and roll. And especially in a day like today, I think if the market, you know, if the market's a little bit more trendy, we have a better overall trend, the market's grinding, you know, if it's booming, you know, we're having that action where we're getting that nice clean breaks and the market's moving, then I think you can, you know, you can wait for a little bit more profit. But on a day like today, I just feel like it's better to take those profit, you know, take the profit when you got it. So what's the best time to trade? I would say what? Early morning at the open. That first, you know, from 9:30 till 11, 12 o'clock is normally kind of my best time to trade personally. I'm not very good trading through the middle of the day. I'll be honest. I've talked about that before. It's not a secret. I normally just kind of I overtrade. I get chopped up. So like my big focus for me is, you know, let's trade 9:30 at the open, look for the right setups, and then we're going to trade 9:30 till about 11, 12 o'clock, and then I can be done for the day. And the best part is trading with futures. If you trade with futures, like you don't need $10,000, $20,000. You can trade futures right now. Like today, you can sign up to trade futures with what, $500 in your account? You can trade the micros. You can trade literally one contract. And I'm not going to say that you're going to make $100 every day starting out, but I mean, you can make $100. You could definitely do it. It's very possible. Will it be hard? It'll be difficult. Yes, it'll be difficult, but I think it's very doable to start out with a $500 account and grow it to the point that you're making $100 a day. Roy Jenkins, Rusty Golfer. Rusty Golfer, we got a new member. Thank you for that. Rusty Golfer is now joining the most elite YouTube channel there is on YouTube. Day trading, baby. Let's go. That's the dream. At least for me, that's the dream, right? Like I want to be able to wake up in the morning, I want to make money, and then be done. Walk away, enjoy life, do my thing. And a lot of people, you think about it, a lot of people like, what would you do if you, you know, if you made an extra $100 every day, like even just $100 every day, just extra. I think a lot of people out there would really, it wouldn't be a bad thing. I mean, extra $500 a week, extra $1,500 a month. I mean, if you could make enough money trading a month to pay your mortgage, to pay your rent, I feel like most people, the biggest expense for them is their rent, their mortgage. And I think it's 100% doable. But it does take time. It takes, you know, but I do think that trading futures really is like the way to go. If you're going to start trading, you want to get into stock trading, you want to start trading in general, I think it's the best way. Yeah, it's the best way to do it. If you're going to do it, trading futures 100% is the best way to start out.
Yeah.